lightning. Yeah. So loud. So loud thunder. So strong and loud thunder. It's raining here in the Philippines, guys. It's already rainy season in the Philippines. I woke up to the sound of the thunder. It was very loud. Your chick is still sleeping. Good morning.
Good morning.
You scared of the thunder? You have like that in Russia? Like that loud? The sky is starting to get bright, so I think the rain will stop. I think there's a typhoon coming in the Philippines. Yeah, I think there's 2 more typhoon coming. Or a low pressure. I don't know if Visayas, our region, will get affected. We'll check the news later. Oh jeez, I'm scared. But I like it when it's raining like this, especially at night. I like the rain. I love rain. Good morning, my sweet baby boy. Mommy is cooking. Mommy is cooking breakfast. You want pancake? You want pancake? Banana. You want corn? Corn yesterday, all day corn. And today corn again. You want mama? Yes? Corn. Good morning, baby. It's raining outside. You're not scared of the thunder and the lightning? Who's that?
Ordered cappuccino. But you don't mix everything.
Because it's science. You will see why I will make that will I. This is
my baby mix is so what?
go up. Sit. Sit. No, okay. Richard doesn't want to sit on his chair. Yeah.
She already sit.
Sit and
She asked me if
down. Left side now. I'm gonna add butter. How was the pancake? Your chick likes my scrambled egg. Hi. Say hi. Let's have a breakfast. I'm eating eggs and pancakes here. Say hi. It's already on. He wants here also. Screen at the back. Hey, be careful. Maguba ng GoPro. Be careful. Don't drop that. Okay, Mama will help you. Mama will help you. I will help. Baby, where are you going? So busy. Like he knows where to go.
Yeah, like
He's such an expert here.
cool people already fall down.
You fall. So many broccoli. Look at the broccoli. Super. Passion fruit. Tag 80, 50 na siya?
50 and 80.
Mas lami ng 80.
Yes, mas tamis na.
Wala pa man. Sulod sa laban ta. Where have you been, your chick? So dirty already here. Baby, so dirty.
You watch cabbage.
Rabbit?
Cabbage.
Ah, cabbage. He wants cabbage?
Just watch it. Like in zoo.
It's so soft.
You
Let's
have
try
1
this.
minute.
So yummy. Melt in your mouth, but why this hair inside? Look, there's a hair. It's from my mouth, or is it from from here already? But it's yummy. Yummy.
Yeah. Cozy. But
This one is too sweet. Spanish latte. It's better now. I mixed it. I'm a bad mama. Oh yeah, I'm a bad mama. I don't feed my son healthy food. One thing about me is I'm a bad mama. I don't feed my son healthy food. Look. One thing about me. I'm cooking healthy food, but I don't feed it to my son because I'm a bad mama. Oh yeah. Please. Your chick. Why your mama is so bad not feeding you healthy foods? I'm a bad mama. I don't feed my son healthy food. I'm a bad mama. You're a bad papa. You don't feed your son healthy food. You're a bad papa. Oh yeah, I'm such a bad mama. I don't feed my son healthy food. I'm such a bad mama. Oh yeah. Poor little boy not eating healthy food. You can use your hands. What's this? What is this? Broccoli. Eat broccoli. It's lunchtime in the Philippines. I am going to cook this tuna. It's a yellowfin tuna. I'm gonna make a soup just with ginger, tomatoes, and onions. I'm boiling water here, and I'm cooking rice. And your chick's gonna eat this food because he haven't finished it earlier. We have so many vegetables, and yeah, I went to the market. I bought fish. It's so fresh. This tuna is so fresh. We like eating tuna here because tuna has less bones, right? Compared to other fish. It's kind of pricey. Around how much? I bought this for 260 per kilogram. It's actually normal price here in Philippines. It's compared to other fish, of course, it's kind of pricey, but the other fish that we usually bought before has so many small bones. We don't like it anymore. Yeah? You don't like tuna?
Tuna, you like?
You like tuna now? Tamarong na din mo.
I like the maroon.
But
Just it's small.
yeah, it's small, so many bones, and it's actually almost like tuna. We're gonna add fish on the water. I'm cooking already for lunch and dinner. We're gonna eat fish for lunch and dinner, so I don't have to cook dinner. I'm just gonna make salad. Later I'm gonna make vegetable salad. I forgot to add ginger and onions first. Need to be. And we're gonna add some salt. Wait, I will have to put the camera here. Our kitchen is so messy. Excuse us for our kitchen, guys. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. And we're gonna go also add this onion. Spring onions. When you turn off the TV there, the baby is sleeping. Rice is ready. Soup is ready. Let me show you what I'm cooking here. This is the fish soup. So yummy with tomatoes. Let me taste the soup. Wow, so perfect. So yummy. Look. So yummy. Try the delicious soup. It's yummy. Tuna. What's it? Yummy. So good. Yes, baby. Mama's here. You awake? Oh, why my baby so sad? Why? Why are you so sad? Sleep more. Mama's here. Don't worry, Mama's here. I'm sorry, baby. You awake? Done napping? Done? Awake? Okay, up. Up you go. 1, 2, 3. Ah. Let's eat. You want to eat? You want to go eat, guys? My baby's gonna eat. What you wanna eat? You still have vegetables here and eggs. You want broccoli? You wanna sit down there? Let's go sit down. Sit. You don't wanna eat? You're not hungry yet? Yes, okay. Later, we eat later, okay? Why is my baby crying like that? Why? Why? What do you need? What? Cocomelon?
Guess what I packed for the beach? Strawberries. Turn it on. Hi, is Elmo? Yeah! Wow! You can make sandcastles with buckets.
What are you guys eating? What are you guys eating? Fish? Vegetables?
Much.
Baby doesn't want to sit in his chair. He want to sit like Papa.
Fish.
Yummy fish. So yummy. Very good. Eating fish, baby. Very good. Big? Big? You want big? You want big fish?
Fish.
Yes,
One
fish.
fish.
57. And it's raining again, guys. Look, it's so dark outside. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Rain,
What?
go away.
What?
No, don't go. Please, don't go there. It's raining. You're gonna get wet. Your chick wants to wash his hands in the rain. Say paka.
Paka.
Bye. I mean bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You know what to say.
You know what to say.
Please
Please hit the like button.
write comments. Subscribe to our channel.
Yes.
And what else? Something you wanna add?
And
And
have a good night.
have a good day or good night, everyone. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. And hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. That my baby is. Alright, guys, my baby is gone. Oh. Alright, guys, my baby is gone. Oh, he's already there under the rain. Baby! Your chick is playing under the rain. Okay, I'm gonna shower him later. I'll just let him play under the rain. Alright, thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye. See you on the next video. Oh, he's already there under the rain. Baby! Your chick is playing under the rain. Okay, I'm gonna shower him later. I'll just let him play under the rain. Alright, thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye. See you on the next video.